Is that fun, kiddo? Hey, what are you doing? Hey! What? Are you trying to get me? What? What? Hey! Hey! Oh, you got me! Whoa! Hi! Careful! Are you trying to splash Dad? Are you trying to get me? Whoa! Are you gonna do more stomping? Uh-oh. Somebody's a little wet, aren't you? Oh, hi!
Run!
What? Run! Oh, run! Okay. Oh, hey, Carl, don't chase the duckies. Be nice to the duckies. Be nice and gentle. Mac, 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 mac. Carl, get back. Carl, take a step back. Step back, please. Carl, step back. Hey, Carl. Carl, buddy. Step back, please. Take a step back. Take a step back, kiddo. One more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Beep, beep, beep. All right, come on, go back. Beep, 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 beep. Go back. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, did the ducky go down and swim? Oh, look. See the ducky swimming in the water? Wait right here. Wait right here. Don't get too close. You should let her go catch up to her friends, okay? Are you going to let the little ducky go swim to her friends? Yeah, look. Here she goes. Stop. Look in the water. It's okay. Mac, 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 mac. Mac, 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 mac. Yeah, she's a good ducky. Are you trying to get me? Are you trying to splash me again? You silly goose. You silly goose. Oh, mac, 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 mac. Mac, 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 mac. Oh, Carl. I'm gonna have to go splash some more, huh? Careful. What are you gonna do? Woo, almost. Careful, buddy.
Need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna help you climb that tree?
Yeah.
No. Silly goose.
No.
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 No. Now be careful, don't get too close. You gonna throw him in? Good throw, there he goes.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, pinecone. What do you say, kiddo? You say bye-bye, pinecone? Yeah, you wanna do that one too? Yeah. Bye-bye, pinecone. Yeah. What do you got there, huh? Is it bark? Are you going to see if the bark floats? Oh, does the bark float? Huh, Karl? Does it float?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Good job. Maybe another pine cone? All right, kiddo. Trying to figure out how to get up there? There you go. That's one way to do it. Good job. Is it cold?
Get down.
Okay, you can get down. Not too close, kiddo. There it goes. How far do you think it's going to go, kiddo? How far do you think it's going to float? Is it going to go a long ways? Maybe. You want to go home? You want to keep walking? You want to do some more walking? Yeah, let's go do some more walking. We can.
Bye-bye, feet.
Yep. Bye-bye seat. Bye-bye crick. Nice work. Okay, ready? Let's go. What are you doing? I thought we were going to go walking more.
No, keep working.
What? All right. I guess we're going to be here a little bit longer, huh?
Speaker.
Yeah, stinker? No.
No.
Good job, buddy.